Good morning, guys. Welcome to Brugge Sir's Maths Academy. Bachcha log, in this particular session, we are going to discuss similarities type 2 sums. Type 2 is nothing but a little bit extension of type 1. Okay. So, in the type 1, we have learned how to prove two triangles to be similar. And then we have talked about corresponding sides of two similar triangles. In this particular type, we are going to discuss one step further. We are going to discuss the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, so let's get started with type 2, question number 1. Type 2 similarities, question number 1. Chalo. First, you have to prove ADE and ABC are similar. Okay. Also, they have given AD is half BD. Okay. Given AD is half BD. चलो ठीक है, तो मैं बोलता हूँ let AD be X या K ले लेते हैं. चलो K ले लेते हैं. So K is half BD बेटा. That means BD becomes 2K. ये K हो गया, AD becomes K, BD becomes 2K. Therefore EB becomes AD plus BD बेटा. So K plus 2K, which is 3K. Therefore the ratio of AD upon AB is K upon 3K, which is 1/3. So this is the first part of the sum. Second part of the sum. As two triangles similar. So in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. First part. Angle A equals to angle A, common angle. बराबर दिख रहा. Second part of the sum. Angle ADE, common angle, and these are corresponding angle, F formation. Triangle ADE is equals to angle ABC, corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle. You remember the naming? A and A are equal बेटा, तो पहले A लिखा तो इधर भी पहले A लिखूंगा. फिर D और B इक्वल, सो बाद में D, सो सेकेंड B. A D E A B C by A test. Okay बेटा. Therefore I can say AD upon AB. First two terms याद है बेटा. First two terms, second two terms. So DE upon BC upon AE upon AC. Are you with me बेटा? पक्का समझ में आया बेटा आपको? 100% समझ में आया, दिख रहा लोग? Therefore AD upon AB is, आपको क्या वैल्यू दिया बेटा? आपको BC का 4.5 दिया है. BC is given as 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. DE ढूंढना है. So DE will be 4.5 upon 3. So DE will be 1.5 centimeter. Please don't forget to write the reason here. What reason will write? Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in proportion. Reason क्या लिखोगे बेटा? Corresponding sides, हाँ लिख के रखो, सुनो अच्छे से. Note down. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in proportion. ये reason लिखना है आपको. ठीक है? Now the second part comes. Okay. So they have asked the ratio of area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC will be equals to. बेटा देखो, मुझे दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, दिस इज द न्यू पार्ट. ओके, अब तक तो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट टाइप के सम्स का ही किया था. दिस इज द न्यू पार्ट. So basically, if I want to find the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, that is ADE and ABC. If I want to find the ratio of areas of two similar triangles ADE and ABC, okay, this will be equals to, कोई भी एक करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड ले लो, AD by AB, DE by BC या AE by AC, जिसका वैल्यू आपके पास हो उसका स्क्वायर. ओके, बस इतना याद रखो. तो रेशियो ऑफ, रीजन क्या लिखोगे? हाँ, द रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू similar triangles is equal to रेशियो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड स्क्वायर। अंडरस्टूड बेटा? बस इतना ही करना है। ये जो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो मिला था ना आपको, हाँ, बस उसको स्क्वायर करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको। ओके मेरा बच्चा लोग, अंडरस्टूड दिख रहा? बच्चा लोग समझा आपको? देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC विल बी इक्वल टू 1/3 का स्क्वायर विच इज 1/9। ठीक है, परफेक्ट। नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड, क्या फाइंड करना है बेटा? बोला गया है फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम बोला है। ठीक है, सो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम हियर, कैन आई से लेट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADE be equal to 1x, let a common multiple be x. Area of triangle ABC be 9x. Therefore, area of trapezium BCED is equals to 9x minus 1x, which is 8x. Therefore, area of triangle ADE upon area of trapezium BCED is equals to 1x upon 8x, 1/8. Final answer 1:8 लिख देता। रेशियो पूछा है 1:9। Guys, hope so you have understood this sum beta. Very nice sum, very important sum. It covers the concept of type 1 as well as introduction to new type 2, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, hope so you have understood this sum beta. Please pause this video and we'll move to the next sum beta. Second one beta. It is given PB and QA. PB and QA are perpendicular to line segments AB. ठीक है? If PO is 6 centimeter, fine and good enough. PO is 6 centimeter and QO is 9 centimeter. Wow. Also given area of triangle POB as 120 centimeter square. Find the area of QO. ठीक है बेटा? चलो, वेरी इजी सम बेटा। फर्स्ट स्टेप, इन ट्राइंगल, पहले हम लोग सिमिलर प्रूव करेंगे। हाँ, विल प्रूव टू ट्राइंगल्स टू बी सिमिलर। सो इन ट्राइंगल AOQ and triangle BOP, 1 angle OAQ is equal to angle OBP 90 degrees, बराबर बेटा? सेकेंड, एंगल AOQ is equal to angle BOP, पूरा लिखना एग्जाम में बेटा, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स पूरा लिखना, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स बेटा। Therefore, triangle similar to triangle. Let us name it beta. A and B are equal beta. A and B are equal. So A and B, O and O, perfect. A O थर्ड कौन सा अल्फाबेट है? Q and P. ठीक है, by A test. Are you with me? ठीक है बेटा? Therefore, I can say OA upon OB, corresponding साइड का रेशियो लिख देते हैं। OA upon OB, OQ upon OP, AQ upon VP. Perfect beta? We need to find the area of triangle AOQ. Therefore, area of triangle AOQ upon area of triangle BOP is equals to corresponding side square. So I'll take this ratio. The reason being OQ and OP का value given है बेटा. So we'll focus on किसका value दिया है बेटा. Okay. So area of triangle AOQ ढूंढना है मुझे. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BOP 120 गिवन है, OQ का वैल्यू 9 एंड OP का वैल्यू 6। बच्चा लोग समझ में आया गाइस? दिख रहा लोग, समझ में आया आप लोग को? आर यू कंफर्टेबल मेरा बच्चा लोग? प्लीज पॉज दिस वीडियो, वी शुड मूव टू नेक्स्ट सम नाउ। चलो बेटा, लेट अस स्टार्ट। गिवन AB is 12 centimeter, given AC is 15 centimeter, DE is 3 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and area of triangle AD. दोनों का वैल्यू ढूंढना है इनफैक्ट। ओके, तो फर्स्ट है बेटा, सी व्हेनेवर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इज देयर, ओके, एक बार तो दिमाग में आ जाना चाहिए कि आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम मे भी अप्लाई करना पड़े। ठीक है, हियर विल अप्लाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम टू गेट द बेस BC। सो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, ओके बेटा, लिसन टू बी वेरी केयरफुली बेटा। बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. 15 square is equals to 12 square plus BC square. 225 is equals to 144 plus BC square. BC square is equals to 81. BC is equals to 9. Okay, बेटा? Fine. Now we prove triangle to be similar, बेटा. So in triangle AED and triangle ABC, first, better can I say angle A is a common angle? Angle A is equals to angle A, common angle बेटा. Second, angle AET is equals to angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees, given. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle A and A, E and B, D and C. Okay बेटा, perfect मेरा बच्चा, sure बेटा. Second part, third part. Area of triangle ABC is equals to बेटा half into base into height, half into base into height. कितना हुआ बेटा? 54 centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of triangle AET. बच्चा लोग, for two similar triangles, the ratio of areas of triangles is equals to ratio of corresponding side square. कौन से corresponding side लूंगा मैं? Should I take DE by BC? Because मेरे पास DE और BC का वैल्यू है, so I'll take DE by BC the whole square. Area of triangle AED ढूंढना था बेटा, ABC मैंने ढूंढ लिया है 54. DE by BC, DE कितना है? 3 है, BC कितना है? 9 है. ओके, so 1 by 3 the whole square बेटा, which is 1 by 9. Okay, therefore area of triangle AED is equals to 1 by 9 into 54, which is 6 centimeter square. Hope so you all got it better. If you have understood, please pause this video. Okay. It is given area of triangle ABC is 25 centimeters square. It is given area of trapezium BCED is 24 centimeters square. Okay. Given DE is 14 centimeter. Calculate BC. कैलकुलेट BC. We need to find BC. Okay मेरे बच्चे लोग, are you with me? चलो, let us start this part. First, area of triangle ADE is made up of area of triangle ABC plus area of trapezium BCED. बराबर दिख रहा? So which is equals to 25 plus 24, which is 49 centimeters square. Area of triangle ADE. Second, now in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, beta, A is a common angle. Angle A is equals to angle A. Angle ABC is equals to angle ADE. Corresponding angle. बराबर दिख रहा? Therefore, triangle similar to triangle. A and A, B and D, C and E by A test. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADE is equals to BC upon BE the whole square. बेटा कोई भी corresponding side ले लो तो मैं second ले रहा हूँ, second and third. Area of triangle ABC is 25. Area of triangle ADE is 49. BC upon DE the whole square. 5 by 7 is equals to BC by DE. BC is 10 centimeter. होप्स आपको समझ में आया हो बेटा? Guys, are you comfortable? बच्चा लोग, are you comfortable? Sure. Let us move to the next part. Well, now please pause the video and try to solve question number 9 on your own. Question number 9. Mark it important, beta. Given AD upon BD का रेशियो is 3/2. ओके बच्चा, अपने को क्या क्या ढूंढना है? सी अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट. मुझे AD by AB ढूंढना है, देन मुझे BE by BC ढूंढना है, देन मुझे EF upon FP ढूंढना है. ओके, EF upon FP. ओके, एंड देन रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BFC. इतना सारा ढूंढना है मैंने. ठीक है, सो लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड बेटा. देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. सॉल्यूशन फर्स्ट है, लेट AD be 3K, बेटा BD be 2K. therefore AD upon AB, sorry, AB would be AD plus BD, which is 3K plus 2K, which is 5K. Therefore, the ratio of AD upon AB is 3/5 बेटा. ठीक है, आर वी बोथ ऑन सेम पेज बेटा. AD अपॉन AB का रेशियो मिल गया 3/5. AD अपॉन AB का रेशियो मिल गया 3/5. नाउ I'll do in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. दिख रहा है बेटा? कॉमन एंगल एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. एंगल ADE is equals to angle ABC. Angle A is equals to angle A. Corresponding angles and common angle. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle. Okay, A and A, B and B, E and C. Perfect, beta. Therefore, I can say first two terms AD upon AB is equals to DE upon BC, and दोनों का ratio will be 3/5. So first two I found it, beta DE by BC. Also I found. ठीक है? Now, beta they have asked me the ratio of EF to FB, beta. If you observe carefully, EF and FB belongs to these two triangles, beta. Correct? And अपने पास DE by BC का value आ गया. So I'll prove now these two triangles similar, beta. Vertically opposite angles and alternate angles. ठीक है बेटा? So for triangle similar to triangle, beta, F and F, E and B, D and C. Okay, beta? Perfect. Therefore, EF first term upon FB is equals to DE by BC, which is also equals to 3/5. Perfect, मेरे बच्चों लोग. And lastly, we all know for two similar triangles, the ratio of area. So area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle BFC will be equals to DE by BC the whole square. So 3/5 the whole square, which is 9/25. So the ratio is 9:25. Hope so आपको समझ में आया बेटा? So in this, if you observe carefully, we prove two triangles to be similar, बेटा. Okay? एक तो ADE and ABC and second DEF and BFC, बेटा. Hope so you have understood, बच्चा लोग. Please pause this video and try to solve question number 10 on your own. चलो बेटा. But these two angles are given equal. Listen to me carefully, bacha. Let's get started. This angle ECD and angle ACD equal given. So बताओ, listen to me very carefully, बेटा. Let angle ACD and ECB which are equal to x. ये छोटे एंगल को x ले लेगा. ठीक है? Let angle BCD जो बीच का एंगल है इसको y ले लेते हैं. तो ये पूरा एंगल कितना हो जाएगा? Therefore, angle ECD will become x plus y. Therefore, angle ACB will also become x plus y, beta. Therefore, I can say ECD and ACB both will become equal to x plus y. ठीक है? तो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सम था. अभी सेकेंड पार्ट इजी है. I just separate out a diagram for your understanding, बेटा. ABC ये एंगल इक्वल है और ये एंगल x plus y है. I am purposely drawing the diagram in the given format only. This entire angle became x plus y. Okay. Therefore, in triangle ACB and triangle BCE, first angle ABC is equal to angle DEC given. Second, angle ACB and angle DCE is equal to x plus y. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle B and E, C and C, A and D. Therefore, I can say BC upon EC, AC upon CD, AB upon DE. Therefore, area of triangle ACB upon area of triangle DCE is equals to AB upon DE the whole square. But I'm pretty much sure you are aware why I took this ratio, because AB और DE का value दिया था. So 10.4 upon 7.8 का square, which is 4 by 3 the whole square, which is 16 by 9. Okay. So this is my required answer. Also, you have understood it. Please pause this video and try to solve this sum on your own. Let us attempt question number 11 now. It is given angle ABC, this angle, and angle DAC are equal. Okay, very nice. AB is 8 centimeter, fine. AC is 4 centimeter, fine. And AD is 5 centimeter, excellent. We have to find BC and CD also. BC, CD, and ratio of area of triangle ACD upon area of triangle ABC. Chalo. Beta, we'll take ACD triangle. I'm just drawing separate diagram only for to make you understand, nothing else. Beta, ADC दिख रहा है बेटा, and ABC पूरा triangle दिख रहा है बड़ा सा. Okay. They have said DAC is equals to ABC. One angle is ready. And if you observe carefully, C is my common angle. ठीक है बेटा? तो सर, in triangle ADC and triangle ABC, first angle DAC is equals to angle ABC given. Second point, this is the main first point. Triangle C is equals to angle C, common angle. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle A and B, C and C, D and S. Okay. Therefore, I can say AC upon BC, CD upon AC, and AD upon AB. AC 4, BC ढूंढना है, CD ढूंढना है, AC 4, AD 5, AB 8. 4 upon BC is equals to 5 by 8. So BC will be 32 by 5, which is 6.4 centimeter. Okay. And CD by 4 is equals to 5 by 8. So CD will be 20 by 8. CD will be 2.5 centimeter. And now ratio of area of triangle ACD upon area of triangle ABC would be, किसका रेशियो अपने पास है बेटा? AD by AB ना. So I'll take AD by AB the whole square. 5 by 8 the whole square. 25 by 64. 25 is to 64. Also you have understood बेटा बच्चा? गाइस एकदम इजी लगा बेटा? समझ में आया? दिख रहा? पक्का? चलो ग्रेट. Fine. Sure. Where to find area of triangle APO upon area of triangle ABC. Okay, this triangle and Bagada triangle. And second way to find the ratio of area of triangle APO upon area of triangle CO. Okay, let's start. बेटा प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस थ्योरम नोन एज बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. मैं बीपीटी बोलता हूँ. APO and ABC. ठीक है. Since PO is parallel to BC, therefore by basic proportionality theorem, you can apply this theorem when the line is parallel to the base like this way. Okay, proportionality theorem. What happens? Simple है. AP upon PB will be equal to AO upon OC. That's it, nothing else. AP upon PB is equals to AO upon OC, which is equals to 2 by 3. Perfect. Let AP be 2K, PB be 3K. Therefore, AB becomes AP plus PB, which is 5. Therefore, the ratio of AP upon AB becomes 2 by 5. Now, third, can you observe triangle? We'll prove these two triangles similar, APO and ABC. Common angle and corresponding angle. Correct, beta? So, in triangle APO and triangle ABC, beta, angle A equals to angle A. Common angle. Angle APO is equal to angle ABC. Angle APO equals to angle ABC. Corresponding angle. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle AAPVOC. Therefore, area of triangle APO upon area of triangle ABC will be equal to AP upon AB the whole square. Whatever. Understood मेरा बच्चा लोग? Guys, got it? Please pause this video and go to the entire sum. Second part of the sum is left. Okay. Sure. Let us find the ratio of area of triangle APO and CQ. But are vertically opposite angles and they are set parallel, so alternate angles. Correct, beta? So in triangle AOP and triangle COQ, first angle AOP is equal to angle COQ, vertically opposite angles. Angle OAP is equal to angle OCQ, alternate angles. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle OOACPQ. Correct, beta? Therefore, area of triangle OAP upon area of triangle OCQ is equals to OA upon OC the whole square. बेटा इधर देखोगे अपने हम लोग ने OA upon OC ढूंढ लिया था 2/3 2/3 square 4/9. Hope so you have understood this sum beta very well. हाँ बेटा, I really request you to go through this sum. This set of sums are very important, very nice sum. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, chalo. We have to find the length of AB and we have to find the area of triangle ABC. चल फर्स्ट बेटा लेट अस प्रूव ट्रायंगल विद सिमिलर। तो अगर ध्यान से देखो B इज अ कॉमन एंगल एंड D एंड C आर इक्वल गिवन, वेरी इजी। सो इन ट्रायंगल BDE and triangle BCA, first angle B equals to angle B, common angle. Second, angle BDE is equals to angle ACB, given. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle B and B, B and C, E and A. Perfect then. I can write first two terms BD upon DC, next two terms BE upon AC and BE upon AD. Now, what the values are given, we'll use that. We'll not use this part. We'll use BD upon BC is equals to BE upon AD. BD क्या है 5, BC पूरा कितना होगा 10, BE कितना है 6, AD. So AB becomes 12. Are you with me बेटा? पक्का वाला, ठीक है? And then the area of triangle BDE upon area of triangle BCA is equals to BD upon BC the whole square. 9 upon area of triangle BCA is equals to 1 by 2 the whole square. 5 by 10, 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Therefore 9 upon area of triangle BCA is equals to 1 by 4. Hope so तुम लोग को समझ में आया बेटा? Everyone understood this particular part. Very interesting, very important. Okay, this all sums are very very important. Next sum 14 sum mark it very 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 important. चलो बेटा, बेटा in this we'll assume any one angle as x. So let angle DAB be x. Therefore the remaining angle becomes 90 minus x. Correct बेटा? Therefore angle DAC will become 90 minus x. Perfect बेटा. In triangle BDA देखोगे बेटा, so can I say x plus 90 plus angle B equals to 180. So angle B becomes 180 minus 90 minus x. So angle B becomes 90 minus x बेटा. And in triangle CDA देखोगे 90 minus x plus 90 plus ये 90 देखोगे बेटा, angle C equals to 180. So angle C becomes 180 minus 180 plus x. The angle C becomes x. Are you with me? Perfect. So chalo. In triangle ADC and triangle BDA, first angle DAC is equals to angle DBA equals to 90 minus x. बराबर बेटा, अगर DAC लिया 90 minus x तो DBA is 90 minus x. Perfect. Angle ADC is equals to angle ADB is equals to 90. ठीक है? Therefore triangle similar to triangle, इसका A इसका B, D और D, C और A. Perfect बेटा. Therefore AD upon BD, CD upon AD, AC upon AD. Therefore AD upon BD, CD upon CD कितना है 8. Therefore cross multiply AD square is equals to 18 8 AD is 12 centimeter. ठीक है बेटा. Therefore area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle BDA, AD upon BD the whole square. Four minutes. But we wanted area of triangle. See beta, very important. See, I found area of triangle ADC upon BDA, but they wanted area of triangle BDA upon area of triangle ADC. So just do the reciprocal. Right. ठीक है. But what is asked is more important. ठीक है. Also, you have understood this sum, beta. Mark it very, very, very important. Okay. This sum, mark it very, very, very important. AC 13 centimeter given, BC 5 centimeter given, AE 4 centimeter given. Find DE and AD and area of triangle ADE upon area of quadrilateral BCAD. Okay मेरा बच्चे लोग. चल बेटा, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. बेटा 13 square is equals to AB square plus 5 square. 169 is equals to AB square plus 25. AB square is equals to 144. So AB is 12 centimeter. Okay. In triangle AED and triangle ABC, beta, angle A equals to angle A, common angle, and angle AED is equals to angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle similar to triangle AAEBDC. Therefore, AE upon AB, DE upon BC, AD upon AC. AE upon AB, DE ढूंढना है, BC is 5, AD ढूंढना है, AC 30. So 1 by 3 is equals to DE by 5. 1 by 3 is also equals to AD by 30. Lastly, area of triangle AED upon area of triangle ABC is कितना बेटा 1 by 3 है, 1 by 3 का square 1 by 9. Therefore, let area of triangle AED be 1K, area of triangle ABC be 9K. Therefore, area of quadrilateral BCED will be 9K minus 1K, which is 8K. Okay, beta. Therefore, area of triangle ADE upon area of quadrilateral BCED is equals to 1 by 8. Okay, beta. आर यू विथ मी? समझ में आया बेटा आप लोग को? होप सो यू अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल बेटा. बेटा आई एम डूइंग 7th sum. Okay, last sum. Please understand this concept before I start. This is not related to similarity completely. ठीक है? You remember last year in 9th grade when we did chapter called area theorem. Even if you don't know, I'll just brief you up with a property. Suppose there are two triangles A, B, C, and D. Okay, so these are the two triangles ABD and ACD. Two triangles ABD and ACD both have got common vertex. बट दोनों का कॉमन वर्टेक्स कौन सा है? ए है. एंड बोथ lie on the same line. Both lies on the same line. Then in such cases, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to ratio of their bases. BD upon DC. That's it. यही है. अगर दो ट्राइंगल है जिसका कॉमन वर्टेक्स है एंड बेस अराउंड द सेम लाइन है, द रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज इज इक्वल्स टू रेशियो ऑफ देयर बेसिस. ओके, विद this sum generally doesn't come in exam nowadays, but on a safer side, let's do it one sum at least. ठीक है, करके रखते हैं. 7th one. PM to MR is 3/4. I need to find PL upon PQ. I need to find LM upon QR. I need to find triangle, area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle MNR. And third, area of triangle LQM upon area of triangle LQN. ठीक है, तो चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. पहले तो हम लोग वेरी बेसिक से चालू करेंगे जो अपना सिमिलरिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट है. लेट PM be 3K, MR be 4K, therefore entire PR becomes 7K. Therefore the ratio of PM to PR is 3/7 beta. Second, two triangle PL cube. To these two triangles similar beta. PLM and PQ are similar proof करते हैं, common angle and corresponding angle. So I'm not writing everything in detail now. So triangle, similar triangles. So P and P, L and Q, and M and R. बराबर दिख रहा? Therefore I can say PL upon PQ, LM upon QR is equals to PM upon PR, which is equals to 3/7. ठीक है, तो ये 3/7 तो मिल गया अपने को फर्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, वेरी इजी. अभी देखो ध्यान से बेटा, मुझे LMN एंड MNR का एरिया ढूंढना है. ओके बेटा, ध्यान से देखो. फाइन बेटा, आई गॉट वैल्यू ऑफ LM to QR. I got value of LM to QR, but I need the ratio of MN to NQ and LN upon NR. So third, I'm going to prove similar these two triangles. N, M, L, Q, R. Vertically opposite angles and alternate angles. So let us name it triangle similar to triangle beta. N and N, M and Q, L and R. Okay. Therefore, MN upon QN, LM upon QR is equals to LN upon NR, which will be equals to LM upon QR का रेशियो 3/7 है. परफेक्ट बेटा. तो चलो, now let's focus on the area of triangle, which is not similarity, because see, please understand, L, M, N and M and R are not similar triangles, so we cannot apply the ratio of area of similar triangle वाला concept here. So what we are going to do here is, so ध्यान से देखो, मैं जस्ट रफ फिगर आपके लिए रेफरेंस के लिए बना रहा हूँ। MNLR अच्छे से देखना बेटा, ठीक है। सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल LMN upon area of triangle MNR will be equals to ln upon nr, ln upon nr। क्यों बेटा? Two triangles LMN and MNR have got common vertex M and base lies along the same line, base along the same line, ठीक है। Therefore ratio of areas is equals to ratio of their bases, ठीक है। मैं थ्योरम इधर साइड पे लिख देता हूँ so that you can refer to it। Two triangles having common vertex and base along the same line, the ratio of areas of triangle is equal to ratio of their bases। ठीक है बेटा, तो यू कैन राइट विद टेबल्स। सो ln अपॉन nr का रेशियो अपने पास है, यस है ना बेटा, 3/7। सो वी गेट द आंसर 3/7। नाउ थर्ड वन, LQM, बड़ा ट्राइंगल LQM एंड LQN, ठीक है। LQN एंड L, ठीक है बेटा। सो सेम एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल LQM, पूरा ट्राइंगल है, बड़ा ट्राइंगल LQM पूरा, अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल LQN, ये वाला। फॉर LQM माई बेस इज QM, for LQM my base is QN। Now if you observe carefully बेटा, अपने पास वैल्यू किसकी है? From here I can conclude, from here I can say बेटा, मेरे पास किसका वैल्यू है? इसका है बेटा MN अपॉन QN का रेशियो 3/7 है, ये रेशियो 3/7 है बेटा। So if you carefully observe, QM is nothing but पूरा 10 and QN is 7, so the ratio is 10:7, ठीक है। इधर एक्सप्रेशन में दिखा देना बेटा, QM was 3K plus 7K which is 10K, okay बेटा, परफेक्ट, अंडरस्टूड मेरा बच्चा लोग? Why 10:7 आया बेटा? QM पूरा था, but this concept of two triangles having common vertex and base along the same line, the ratio of areas is equals to ratio of their bases, ये कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर थोड़े सम्स कम आते हैं या नहीं आते हैं, ओके। सो आई जस्ट थॉट एटलीस्ट आई इंट्रोड्यूस वन सम फॉर योर रेफरेंस, ठीक है। सो यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस सम एंड प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ। होप सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन। वी हैव कवर्ड ऑल वेराइटीज ऑफ सम बेटा, ठीक है। सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू अंडरस्टैंड। After every sum, I request you to pause the video and try to solve the sum on your own. It is very, very much essential you solve on your own, beta. ठीक है? Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.